Welcome back with us. So it's the 10 hour going to be doing our morning routine for today. So my hair is dried from the wash and style we did from day 9. So I'm going to be showing you how it looks like. So you can see the obvious progress. So now we're going to be doing our morning routine just the same way I've been doing it. So we'll be using this COVID and this as well. So if you have only this, I said this earlier, this is very okay. Just this alone is very okay. But then I just try to use the two together since I have both. You can get this from Jumia. So I'll take a little of this. Of this all together. And then you get into your brushing session. We're done with our brushing session for today. Today I did a slight brushing session because I want to introduce this product to you guys. I mentioned it in my first ever video. So this is a leave-in conditioner, She Moisture. This is a leave-in conditioner. I have been using this for a while and it gives my hair a good feel because I used to have this very coarse hair. So I tried using this and I think it helped a bit to soften my hair. So today I'm not going to be ragging up just yet. I want to apply this leave-in conditioner. Just rub a bit of it. You can get it from Jumia as well. Yeah, just rub a bit of it and let it go around your hair. This is go around. So after applying this, we are not going to be ragging up. So I did just a 10 minutes brushing session because I'm still going to do another brushing session and rag up when I wash this out. So you can't rag up with the leave-in conditioner on your hair because the last time I tried, it gave me a reaction on the front of my forehead. So I would advise not to rag up with your leave-in conditioner on. So you can just wash it out after 4 to 5 hours of it on your hair. Then after washing it out, you can apply your products again and then you brush for about 10 to 15 minutes and rag up. Yeah. So you can just leave this for about 4 to 5 hours. It gives my hair a good feel. So I recommend it. You can check it out on Jumia if you need. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today.